What's wrong?
Close. Open.
I
think she wants to play with me. No, just play with her.
What do you want? You want to go outside?
Close. Open.
You want to go
See?
outside? Oh, go check the mail with Daddy. Go outside. Okay, I play with you. Are you ready? Okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Mommy's coming to get you.
Hide, Bella, hide.
I'm gonna come get you. Ariko, no more? Finish?